Hello, everyone. My name is Jasmine Green, and today we're going to be talking about defamation of character and any ways that a person may be able to sue if they feel like they have been the victim of defamation of character as it pertains to social media. All right, so behind me, I have a couple of terms that I want us to get acclimated with. The first is going to be oral, anything that is spoken to cause harm over a person's reputation or business or something like that, which is untrue, is going to be labeled as slander. Anything that is written for any kind of statement is going to be called libel. Anything that's written that is causing harm to a person's reputation or something like that. Both of those elements create arenas for defamation. That's any statement that's made to cause harm or damage to a person's reputation or well being, which is untrue. That being said, I do want to talk about a case briefly. It's 2020 now, so this was 5 years ago in 2015. A radio show host, her name is Jacqueline Hammond. She actually took to the internet, I believe on Facebook, and she made the statement that Devine Dial had gotten drunk and she caused the death of her 11-year-old son in 1976. Devine Dial actually heard this and she filed a lawsuit and she actually succeeded. The reason why this was, considered defamation of character in a slanderous arena was because that's not how Miss Dial's son passed away. He and another little boy, one of his friends, were playing around with a gun and it accidentally went off, and her son passed on that way. It had nothing to do with Miss Dial, you know, being drunk or running him over or driving drunk or anything like that. This is actually one of the largest lawsuits in the history of Facebook, defamation of character, social media lawsuits. She was awarded $250,000 in punitive damages and $250,000 in actual damages for a total of $500,000. So you can sue people for defamation of character. Over here, I'd like us to go to this board. In order to prove that there is some defamation of character going on, you've got to be able to prove that there was a loss because of it, or you've got to be able to prove damages just like Miss Dial did. All right, so be very aware that it's felonious, or it can be proven as a misdemeanor to make a false report. All right, if you're going to do so, please be sure to plan, gather your evidence, notate it as you need. Create the timeline, submit the evidence to your attorney or the court so that you can get a case and be ready to speak on behalf of it and prove it. I do hope that this helps. I also want to leave you with a tidbit. Please avoid making any hashtags like, oh, you're a liar, you're a rapist, hashtag be blessed, because those go into the social media World Wide Web and you can't get that back, right? Because everybody sees it, whether you know them, they're a friend on your timeline or not. So I do hope that this helps, and I hope we've all gained some knowledge here. I appreciate your time. Thank you.